Hey, sixth graders, when you get to class each day, you should be filling out your agenda. So I have my agenda here, and I also have our agenda pulled up in Schoology. So the first thing in our Schoology folder for each week, and it says that we are on Monday, October 19th. So our learning goal is students will be able to estimate the size of common objects and quantities using metric units. We'll talk more about this in class. But we're just going to talk about where you should be putting this. So if you notice in your agenda, you should have a section here that says science, and you are going to use that section to write the learning goals. So I will start by writing students will be able to, and then I'm going to write the whole learning goal, estimate the size of common objects and quantities using metric units. Right, so you should be doing that each day right before you do your question of the day or right after you do the question of the day. And if you have any questions about that, as always, you can log in to your Schoology account and send a message to your teacher. All right, have a great day. Bye.